Hey, what's going on? Welcome back. It's Steve. Today's going to be a quick unboxing video. I'm going to be unboxing my new Sony PS5 Media Remote, and I will be unboxing the PS5 DualSense Charging Station right there. Two things I don't need, but I bought anyway. The reason why I bought the Media Remote is because I usually play my movies streaming with the digital codes, but sometimes the internet is a little wonky, and then I'll use the Blu-ray or the 4K physical disc, and using the controller just sucks, plain and simple. And then the charging station I bought really for no reason, but I kind of like the idea that I could plug this in and just have both of my controllers charging at the same time. Right now, I use one, I leave it on my coffee table, and then the other one is just plugged in via, I think, USB-C, just directly to the PlayStation. So I just got it to make it look a little nicer pretty much. So let's just get to the unboxing. So let me get my knife here, open this up. We'll start with the remote. So let's see. More stuff that I don't need. And I do not want to slice myself, but I think I got it. Okay. Put this here real fast. Open it up. All right. A box within a box. All right. We got the remote all wrapped up. Instructions, I doubt we need. And then, okay. Some batteries. They are Sony batteries. Cool. All right. Let us just take the batteries out. Be very careful. I try to be. All right. Now we got batteries already. Just throw that there. And now let's take the remote out. And voila. There it is. Sorry for the glare. Try to get a better picture, but it's a really light remote. It actually looks like a tiny little PlayStation 5 with the black and stuff. It's made out of plastic, as you can hear, but it doesn't feel cheap. Buttons are nice. It kind of reminds me of the Google Chromecast remote. Pretty much the same. And it has Disney Plus, Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube. I guess quick buttons on the bottom. Right there, you can see. Let's pop the freaking batteries in here. That's like the only thing you really need the instructions for, is how the hell to do that. But there's actually a button. This doesn't slide. So there's a little tiny button that says push. And then we put the batteries in. Batteries are in there. All right, if I broke it, I have to return it. Number two, the DualSense Charging Station. Right there. And I actually thought this was going to be a USB-C device as well, where you just plug it into the PS5. But according to the box right there, it does have a plug, which kind of makes sense, because I doubt there's enough power coming from the USB-C port on the PS5 to charge two controllers at the same time. But let's get this open and hope I don't slice myself with this one. All right, we'll see. Is there a box inside the box? There is. Similar situation. Open this up. There we go. Instructions again. Power brick. Power cord. And right here is the charging dock. And I can't get it open because of the static. Again, it looks like another little mini PS5. And this, I believe, just sits this way. And you plop your chargers right on top. And hopefully I don't break this. So there you have it. The Sony PS5 Charging Station and the Sony PS5 Media Remote right here. And I will test these out. Maybe I'll do a video. Like, again, I hope I didn't break this because then I'll have to return it and get a new one. And that's about it. All right. Well, I hope you like this video. This isn't really a review, but I will tell you both of these products are made well. They're the official Sony versions. I was going to get the Insignia version, but I figured I would just go with the Sony version. I have nothing against Insignia. My Nintendo Switch second dock is the Insignia dock, and it works perfectly. But that's all I have today. I hope you like this. Again, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell as you all have been doing. I really appreciate it. This is my second video back from Vlog Every Day in April, and it's May 17th, so I don't know. I'll try to pump out one a week. I've still been pretty tired and worn out from April, so can't make any promises, but maybe I'll do a live stream or something. I do know on my Disney YouTube, I'm trying to live stream sometime this week or next week in the evening because I want to give out some treats to people who are in Disneyland or in California Adventures. So if I do that, I'll let you know here as well. I'll see you on the next video, everyone. Peace, guys.